Sevies, because this is your first hypothesis poster, and if you weren't in class on Thursday or Friday, then I want to make this video, just so that you have a better understanding of what I'm actually asking for in this assignment. Um, so a hypothesis is a prediction. It is something that you guess based on what you already knew. So you should never, ever, ever feel like you have to Google the answer or like feel like you're going to get it wrong. You can't get a hypothesis poster wrong. You can, however, do it wrong. So you can't get the answer wrong, but you can do the poster wrong. So there are three things that I want in this poster. And by poster, for absent people, what I mean is put it on a piece of paper, take a photo of it with your phone or your Chromebook, and then upload it here. Or just take the photo or bring me the actual paper later on. Um, and so a hypothesis poster needs to have the question written out. Okay, that's right here. The question, the question, which is what would happen if we added more wolves to Isle Royale. A drawing or a diagram, so something to go along with what you think is the answer to that. If you wanted to just make a graph, that would be great. If you wanted to draw a family tree, that's okay. If you want to draw out a scene, that's fine too. You're not being judged on your artistic skills, you're being judged on how relevant your drawing is to your question. And then the last one is a written explanation of your hypothesis. So when you are hypothesizing this, I need to know what you're thinking. And so I should see at least 3 sentences of you explaining what you think is the answer to that question. All right, so again, question is what would happen if we added more wolves to Isle Royale? So you say your name, give me your hour, and then I put this chart in there for you to go back to and think of. And so you can see that in 2009, there were only 500 moose and there were a little less than 1,000 wolves. But now, not now, but like in 2017, 4 years ago, there were only 2 wolves and 1,600 moose. Okay, so I want you to think of what would happen if we then added more wolves. Okay, based on this chart and based on what you think in your brain. And then you can either upload it here or, like I said, you can bring me the piece of paper when you're back at school, or if you do it during pack time, you can bring it to me at the end of pack time or whatever.